Hey there! Today in this video we will show you the floor plan of R.D. Engineering Works garden pipe plant. First install main extruder as shown in the diagram. After installing main extruder, install a 16 feet water tank in front of main extruder by leaving gap of 1.5 feet between extruder and tank. Now install the take-up machine in front of water tank. Now if you also purchased a jockey machine, then you can place a jockey machine in L shape with the main extruder to its left or right position at your convenience, as shown in the diagram. After lining up all machinery, the whole setup will look like this. And you can install a mixer and machines control panel near the extrusion plant at your convenience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any doubts or problem, feel free to contact us on a given contact info. For more tutorial videos and our machinery videos, don't forget to subscribe this channel.